Oh my God, are these baby swans?
Look at them.
And where are we today, Dad?
We are in Ellesmere today, folks.
We're going to be walking around the whole lake. And we're going to take you through a beautiful walk through Ellesmere in Shropshire.
Stone in my foot. Hang on.
Are you all right?
I'm better fine now. I think.
Here's my dad with his obligatory sandals.
I've got a tan on my feet.
Have you got a tan line on your foot?
Look at this. Look at that. There's a tan
Oh
on my
my
foot.
God! I think you need to go wash your feet, Dad. And I feel really relaxed today.
Yeah.
I think as soon as you come out and you see the sun, you see nature, you see wildlife.
I went for a walk yesterday down by the river again, and you could feel the trees smiling at you.
Yeah.
You know, I think, wow, the trees are happy today because no pollution. It's gone right down. You've got the weeping willows here. You've got all these lovely trees, and the birds are singing loud. You can. It's
Brilliant.
It's great.
It's really fantastic. Yeah. Let's just take a quick look down here.
Okay.
Wow, what a great spot.
Now this is a fishing post where people get the fishing rods out. It's classed as number 2 post, so you come and at your pitch for the day. Boom.
I think we went fishing once, didn't we, when I was younger?
Yeah, and you kept throwing bricks in the water and scaring the fish off.
Yeah, I think I probably did, yeah. How old was I?
You was about 7.
Yeah. I don't think it was the most legal form of fishing, was it?
I don't know, really. It's a long time ago. Just outside.
Let's just say I don't think we had a permit. Just look at all these little nooks and crannies. And you know that I like all those nooks and crannies. Let me just go and poke my head down here. I'll be back with you in a sec, Dad, all right?
I like the crooks and the nannies.
You like the crooks and the nannies?
I like the crooks and the nannies.
Now this really is a lovely spot. You've got all the flowers down by your feet. You can look out directly onto the lake. Just sit here for probably at least 5 or 6 hours, casting the fishing rod, eating some food. 2 of you, once the lockdown's over, and just enjoy some time with nature. Tired already?
Fly me to the moon and let me sing, play among the stars.
Are you tired?
No.
Come on then. And coming up ahead, I think, is what looks like a little boat launch in pontoon, which I'll try and show you. Are you regretting wearing those sandals now because you keep getting stones and sticks caught in your feet? Let me just show you this lake edge now.
Oh, the jetty there.
Look at that.
Isn't that fantastic? Isn't that
Wow.
fantastic?
Could this well be the most beautiful spot at Ellesmere Lake?
Wow.
You see those swans over there, behind you? In the distance?
Yeah.
They probably look incredibly far away on this lens, but a couple of swans swimming together. It's lovely, isn't it? Brilliant. And here's some more beautiful flowers.
Have a guess what they are. Come on.
Well, do you know what they are?
I haven't got a clue. We'll have a guess how close we can get.
So we know nothing about flowers.
Nothing at all.
Go on then.
We'll have to make something up.
What's your guess? What do you think these flowers are
I
called?
reckon they're called purple haze.
Purple haze?
Purple haze.
Isn't that a type of marijuana?
Yes. It doesn't matter. Purple haze.
All right, you're going to go for purple haze. All right. So for any flower enthusiasts out there, maybe you can educate us in the comments. But I'm going to go for purple dragon.
Oh, okay.
Completely off the bat.
Okay.
Yeah.
We've got dragon and haze.
Dragon and haze.
Okay, okay.
Both of us are probably completely wrong. Should we take a look down there?
Anywhere you want to go, yeah.
Oh wow. 2 swans with some ducklings as well. Oh my God, are these baby swans?
Oh, look at them. Oh, look at them.
Are those baby swans?
They're called cygnets, so I believe. Baby swans called cygnets. Yes.
Wow, I've never seen a baby
Look at
swan.
them. Look at them.
They look
What
so
fluffy.
Yeah, they look so fluffy.
Actually, I don't think I've ever been this close to a swan before.
No, they don't seem to be fazed by humans, do they?
No.
That is so beautiful.
Yeah.
And looking from the path, you wouldn't expect to come and see this kind of view down here. So, I mean, whenever you go for a walk outdoors, guys, if you see like a little nook and cranny, as I like to call it, go and explore it, because you don't know what's going to be at the end of it. Right, let's not overstay our welcome. Let's carry on with our walk. Don't you just love the smell of being outdoors, around trees?
I smelled it yesterday. This is Lord of the Ring country.
Yeah, yeah, it's beautiful. And just stop there a sec. Don't freeze, but just listening to the birds is a really wonderful experience. Can you bird whistle?
I did the other day when a tooth came out. I was whistling quite good. I'm used to it now.
Yeah, so for those of you that watched, was it our last video, I think, wasn't it?
I think it was.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
had come off my tooth, yeah.
No, I think it was 2 videos ago, I think.
Involuntary whistling, involuntary whistling.
My dad's cap of his tooth came off. Going to another field now. Let's have a look.
We are now leaving the mere at Ellesmere. It says on the sign here, we're now leaving the mere at Ellesmere.
Okay, and it's not too hot. It's below 20 degrees, just with a nice cool breeze, and feeling that sun on your face just provides you with that little bit of extra warmth. And you can see now across the plants that you've got the lake and all the route where we've just walked around there.
Look at that down there.
I know, it looks fantastic. Wow, and we are on the complete opposite side of the lake now.
Oh, wow.
So where we showed you in the first part of the video, we are on the complete opposite side. I don't know if you guys can see over there in the distance, but that's where we've parked our cars, right by the lake edge, by the road. And we've walked all around the lake to come to where we are now. What kind of thoughts come to mind, Dad, when you look across that view?
The best of nature.
Yeah?
The best of nature, and we should preserve it, look after it, and really enjoy it. Really enjoy it.
Yeah, I totally agree. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.